Good morning, everyone. We are in lovely San Juan, Puerto Rico. Q and I are about to go get something to eat, and then we're going over to San Juan. We're going in Old San Juan. We're going to walk around. We're going to take you with us and check out some things. I want to go to see if this spot that was there the last time Q, Shay, and I were here is still there. And I'm going to introduce you to that spot if you didn't see it in our last video. So let's go. Let's get this view from our floor of the jaw drop down into the promenade and the rooms on the side. And Q and I are walking over to see what we can get into. What you say, Q?
I ain't getting into nothing.
He said he's not getting into nothing. Don't pay him no attention, y'all. He grumpy right now. Why are you grumpy?
Cause I ain't getting no kiss. Nope, I don't want it.
He don't want it. All right, y'all. I'm not gonna give him no kisses today. Okay. I love you too. I knew he was gonna come around. Tuesday. Get the party started. So we're walking around. It's hot, y'all. We need to find a spot that we're trying to find for y'all. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. So we're walking up the hill. In search of our store. That we were looking for, it sells bacalatos. It's like a codfish ball. They are closed, so that's so bad because that was a really good place, you know, to get. They were like codfish balls. They were really, really good and tasty, but they're closed. So on our way to our next stop. So we're here at restaurant Barbasila, home of the original Pina Kalita. It was invented here. Go on in. There's a line, I think, for the restaurant. We just want to drink. Excuse me. Yeah. We just would like a drink. So Q went to stand in line to get our pina coladas, and then we're gonna drink them right here at the bar. So here's the menu here. You want like appetizers and stuff to eat. To get our pina coladas, but he's finally got them. And here they have seating for the restaurant, so you have to go and speak to the people at the kiosk if you want to sit back here in the tables. But if you want to sit here and have a drink, you can, as long as you drink it here and you don't get it to go. So we have our pina coladas right here. Let me taste. It's the home of the original one, y'all. Let's see. tastes good, nice, refreshing. You can taste the liquor in it. It's not overly sweet. It's got a nice taste. So Q and I are going to sit here at the bar and finish these off. And then we'll be on to our next destination. Cheers. And the drinks they're 14. Okay, $7.25 for the small cup. These here are $14.50. Just so you know when you count.
We created Pina Kalita, some margaritas.
That's right.
I heard you telling me.
Mm-hmm.
Say something about the salt and all that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Say, actually, the person that created margaritas created tequila. That's why they put the Cointreau in. That kills the flavor of the tequila.
Oh, wow. Well, I guess y'all heard that. We don't do margaritas here, pina coladas. Y'all, and the line is really long.
Yeah, the line out there. Now we can get
Yeah, it's a line out there. That's for if you want to sit here and eat.
It's a chain.
It's a chain. All I know is it's a line to get these pina coladas, y'all. Q must have been in line for, how long were you in line for?
20 minutes.
About 20 minutes to get ours. And I held our seats at the bar because it became available. So what am I rating this pina colada? I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. It's cool, it's refreshing, you can taste the liquor, but it's not overly alcoholic. You can still taste the pineapple and everything in it. So yes, I'm giving it a 4 out of 5. Q, what you giving the pina colada?
3.5, 4.
He said 4 out of 5. So the breeze is feeling really good and nice and breezy. We're off to our next location after the Pina Coladas. So you can see the ship really good from here, y'all. They have a variety of different cookies, and you can get a shot to go with them, y'all. To decide which cookie I'm getting and which shot I'm getting, y'all. So let me make that decision right now. On display right here on the turnstile. Which cookie? I made my decision. I'm gonna go with the salted caramel pecan cookie. This is a cookie shot. You can get a chocolate chip or cookies and cream cookie shot, meaning the cookie is filled with your choice of whatever alcoholic beverage from the choices that they have here. I'm gonna pass on that. They also have frozen drinks here, y'all. So there's the machine, so you can get a frozen drink here too.
That one,
Yeah.
you can go with ice cream, coquito.
Okay.
If you don't want it that sweet, you can go with peanut butter whiskey, which I have scuba or cheetah. If you want to try something lovely, people tend to do coffee flavors with that one, so cafe.
Oh, I'm not a big coffee drinker.
Coffee,
That's okay. So you said,
Angelico,
oh, that fireball. Is that the no Frangelico? Oh, that's that's sweet. Yeah. Ow.
Not sweet.
Yeah.
Maybe Fireball or Tito's.
Okay. I think since I've been going with a rum, let me continue with a rum.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have Donfu and Donfu Coco. I prefer the coconut flavor one, but if you want to go...
Yeah, I guess with the sweetness of the cookie, let's go with that one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Great. Got my caramel pecan cookie with the Don Q coconut flavor to go with the sweetness of that cookie. And it's rum. I've been drinking rum. So let's stick with it. There's plenty of seating here. All right here. all around, right back there. So there's plenty of seating here. Here is my drunken cookie. I got the caramel pecan. And here is the mini shot, y'all, to go with it. So it got crowded while we were sitting here. Really crowded, so this must be a really popular spot. So here's the cookie. So I'm gonna open it and see what it tastes like. Ooh. Ooh. It is sealed. Wow, look at that, y'all. See what it tastes like. Oh, that tastes really good. Look at the pecan, and the cookie's not really sweet. That's really good. It's nice, it's chewy, not doughy at all. It's a really good cookie. Do the shot with it too, y'all. I mean, but that's what it's for, right? It's for you to do the shot with the cookie. Do you like squeeze it? There it is right there. Let's see. Okay. The coconut mom tastes really good with that cookie. I made the young lady helped me make this match because it's coconut flavored rum and the cookie with the pecans and stuff in it. It's a really nice balance. This is really good. I suggest if you're in San Juan, stop by Drunken Cookies. If you're not a drinker, the cookies are pretty decent. They're $6 a piece, but you get the like mini shot. So if you're not a drinker, and someone you're with is, I suggest getting the mini shot and giving it to whomever you're with if you don't drink. But yeah, it's a big cookie. It's worth the $6, I think it is. It's a pretty decent cookie, my opinion. What am I giving Drunken Cookies overall? I'm giving them a 4.5 out of 5. Because it's a pretty decent cookie, and then on top of it, you get a mini shot with the cookie. You can't beat that, y'all. So 4.5 out of 5 for Drunken Cookies here in Old San Juan, Puerto Rico. I can never give up an opportunity to go in a rainbow, even in Puerto Rico. Look at the rainbow here. See what I can find. Like, I really don't need anything else, but I'm still looking for something. Cute stuff. So we finally made it up on 20. This is the harbor, and that's the Harbor Bar and Bites that way. Adventure Trail, Jaw Drop, Cliffhanger, and the Kiosk. That is the Cliffhanger. I mean, yeah, that's the Cliffhanger. Adventure Trail. Like walking all of this. I don't know if I want to do that. Oh gosh. And then that's the slide area over there. The water slides over there. The kiosk where you pay for all of the stuff. And these, I guess, the heights you need to be to get on everything. The jaw drop back here, y'all. Ooh, lordy. Okay, yeah. I don't know. There's pools back here. The pools. This one over there. And this one here. In the back, they're starting to count down. These are on some of the chairs where Fun in the Sun don't reserve the deck chairs. If it's left unattended for 30 minutes or longer, they're going to collect it and you have to go pick it up, which is a good thing. I see the menu, y'all. But this is a food menu up here. They have cold food like chicken Caesar wrap, Mediterranean, what? falafel wrap, tomato mozzarella, mini focaccia, beef empanadas, chicken empanadas, corn dog, and pigs in a blanket. So yeah. Our pina coladas we ordered are getting made. There they are. So what you say about these pina coladas that we got, babe?
Tastes almost as good as the one over there that we spend the money for.
Mm-hmm. Yup, and these included with our drink pack.
There you go.
Mm-hmm. They do taste good. So this is my outfit for the evening. It's just a midi dress with and my sandals because I might be done with heels, y'all. And I got parrot earrings because to catch the parrots in the dress. And this is my evening outfit. We're back in the dining room, y'all. And that steak that Fine Cook was the pits. So I'm gonna try the New York strip here in the dining room. And let's see if that's a decent steak or not. So our appetizers have arrived. You know, this is just a shrimp cocktail. Q got coconut shrimp, and he's getting a Caesar salad. What is that? Like a pasta with
chicken sausage.
A chicken with sausage and chicken. It's a penne pasta with sausage and chicken. And I got the New York strip. We gonna see what it tastes like, y'all.
I got gravy on it.
I don't care, but I'm not mad. Hey, y'all, we finished our dinner here in the main dining room. And where's the food from the MSC World over in London? The European line's food is so much better. This was just, I need to eat because I'm a drink. So I just had to eat the steak. It didn't have any flavor. And Q's pasta was pretty decent. It wasn't bad. The steak, it just didn't have a lot of flavor in it, but I need to eat. So I ate most of it. We are here at the Panorama After Dark Nightclub, y'all. Let's go. There's a pool table here, seating, and let's see. Oh, a nice bar area here. Oh, it's nice in here.
Let's go.
Plenty of seating here. You can see the seating all around. This is a really nice nightclub. And the floor lights up, LED. Yeah, this is really nice.
Big floor mount model TVs, okay? Big back TVs. Seasoned love, wet and dry. Who's been in love, been married for that long? How many? Okay, so that's exactly why you're sitting down there. Who else? How many right there? 50, that's seasoned. That's our answer, 50 years right there.
So we're wrapping up the evening. We just came from Love and Marriage and it was fun, as always. I'm probably gonna go out, have a nightcap, and then we have a C day tomorrow.
2 CDs.
2 C days back to back. And tomorrow is our anniversary.
I'm glad.